So to use the GC, we're going to click User. And then look at this icon right here called GC Solution. That's the one we're going to use. But first, we have to turn on these gas canisters. The first one is the air, then the nitrogen. Finally, we'll turn on the hydrogen. Next, Adam's going to turn on the instrument with a button located on the side. As you can see, all three lights are green. Next, we're going to open the software. We'll click this little icon here. It looks like the instrument and it's under the 1. We'll just click OK. That's fine. Click top. Then we'll go to instrument parameters. And then click system on. It says download the instrument parameters. We'll click OK. At this point, the instrument will try to heat up and ignite. All you have to do is wait. Okay. So your first step is going to be to go to instrument parameters, and you can go File, New Method File. And that sets up a new method file. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the column. This is the column that's in there. You don't need to change anything there, so that's fine. That's okay. You can set the temperature of your detector. Usually we keep ours at 200 degrees Celsius, so we'll leave that there. This is where you determine your column tab, and it's right here. So it starts off at 25 degrees, and you can hold it at 25 degrees for, let's say, 1 minute, and hit enter. And then we want it to heat up to 50 degrees. So we type in 50, as you can see there. And then this is the rate per minute that it's going to increase. So let's say we want it to go up 5 degrees every minute. It's going to stay at 25 degrees for 1 minute and then go from 25 to 50 over a course of 5 minutes, which is how we get our total program runtime of 6 minutes. Once you've set all these parameters, to the way you want it. Temperature, the start temperature is going to be 25 degrees. You just click this download button, and it's going to download that method to the instrument. Next, we're going to show you how to run a sample. So you go batch processing, batch table wizard, load method file. You select the method file you just created and saved. I didn't show you how to save it. Click next, standard unknown. We want standard only. Click next. We're going to go ahead and click under standard sample file. It's going to be 0 because we're doing manual injection. Click next. This is really where you can do whatever you want. You can name the file. So we'll name this one test. And then for report format file, we're going to go to GC solution. And then we'll click sample. And then we'll scroll over to method simple. And that's going to be our report file format. And then we'll click finish. Now we're ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit start. Save current batch file. We do. You type in the same name as earlier. Save. Yes. Save. Okay. And with our sample, we're going to inject it in the injector shown right here. So we put in, now we're going to put in 1 microliter. Alright. Once it's in there, we're going to click start on here. And then we immediately have to go to injector and change the temperature. Just go to set. This is why you can't do it. Set line config, and then we're going to go to line 1 and click enter, and then click return. And now your sample is running. After the experiment is completed, it'll come up to a file like this. And so what you can see here is we have our chromatograph. We have acetone, ethanol, butanol, 3 peaks. To use this data, our first step is going to be to go to data analysis, manual peak integration, and then we're going to remove all the peaks. So you click here, and you click here, here to here, and it removes all the peaks. Then we're going to insert peaks, so we can go from here to here, and then we'll insert another peak from here to here, and then we'll insert a third peak here to here. And so those are our 3 integration values, and then you go report in data, and it sends you a thing like this. Next, we're going to insert a table right here, and click OK. And what you can see here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try and zoom in. There you go. Can you guys see that? So the table we just inserted, we have our 3 peaks, 1, 2, 3, and we have the area and their retention time shown. This is the integration area, and you can use this to compare them. So then we go back, and so we know peak 1, peak 2, and peak 3. Alright, to shut down the instrument, all you do is you go to, this is the report file, so we don't need that. You go to instrument parameters, and you go system off, and that's going to shut down the software, so you can just hit X. You want to save your method file, you just hit X there and start log off. And then to shut the instrument, all you have to do is flip the button, and then make sure you close the tanks.